Hello Hunt Chef Nation. Today we're going to talk about Bradley Smoker and Hunt Chef equally awesome wild flavor. You're not going to want to miss this one. So everybody knows Bradley Smokers have been an industry leader at the top of the wild flavor game for decades. They know what they're doing when it comes to smoking meat. They've got incredible machines, and we're going to show off this new Pro Series with 3 awesome recipes straight out of the Hunt Chef kitchen. So brining food before you smoke it is one of the keys, in my opinion, to flavor, moisture retention, and helping make everything extra delicious. So we've got my sweet and spicy hand brine kit, just like we did the country style for the venison leg, but this time we're putting one of my favorite game fish, this whole walleye, into the brine to smoke into Bradley. Stay tuned, here it comes. So we're gonna get our kit out of the pouch, get it in. We've got 2 gallons of water pre-measured, and these bags are stuffed because there's so much flavor in these brine kits. We'll do some extra work to get them all out. There we go. Time to go in the water, mix it up. Now I'm going to show you a few steps that I like to take when I'm going to soak a whole fish like this to go into brine to smoke, especially into Bradley the next day. Here we go. Walleye's all prepped up. Going to get the brine all the way through it. No need to inject. Open up along the backbone. Now it's time to go in and soak overnight. We wanted to show you guys how versatile these Bradley Smokers are, especially this new Pro P10. Now we're gonna go in with the brined walleye. We're gonna follow that with a venison sausage, and we're gonna finish the cook to show you how you can have all these dishes ready at the same time. So we've brined this walleye overnight in the sweet and spicy brine kit. Now we're gonna load it up with the Hunt Chef Real Damn Deal. We're gonna get down in all these nooks that we cut on the side, all over the skin, inside. Lots of wild flavor going in here. 3 at a time is the magic number. There we go. All the wild flavor. Now, for 90 minutes additional, we're gonna put the sausage and the walleye in. We're gonna shut that damper down, keep all that smoke in there for that short hot cook for the sausage and the fish. Look at that walleye, we're getting ready to go in there. That guy looks angry. See you in 90 minutes for the taste test. Here we go. Look at that. You want to talk about wild flavor from north of the border? Bradley Smokers, Hunt Chef. Wait till we pull this stuff out of here. 7 days in the works and we're finally here. The Bradley P10 performed. Look at the color on this ham, the sausage, and that walleye exceeded every expectation I could have had. I can't wait to taste it all. Are you ready? Are your taste buds ready for this wild Bradley Smoker Hunt Chef flavor? Let's try it now. 7 long days we're waiting to get in here. Oh my gosh. Look at that walleye. Oh my goodness. So sweet, so moist. The hand brine kit did its job, and Lord knows, the smoke is perfect. That P10 and the applewood, oh my goodness. We nailed it.